In this video, we will learn how to change page orientation in Microsoft Word. Hello, my name is Mark, and you are watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. In Microsoft Word, we can set the page orientation to portrait or landscape for the entire document or a single page. In this video, we will change the page orientation of the whole document and set the default page orientation. First, you need to navigate to the Layout tab in the ribbon where you will search for the Page Setup group and choose the Orientation option. A drop-down menu appears in which you see two options for document orientation. The Portrait orientation is set in Microsoft Word by default, so you will select the Landscape option in this video tutorial. Once you have clicked it, you can see that the document's orientation changed and the paper is wider than it is tall. Now, let us move on to how to change the default page orientation permanently. As you know, the default Word document opens in Portrait orientation mode. Still, if you want to use the landscape page orientation, you can permanently change the default page orientation from portrait to landscape. First, navigate to the Layout tab on the ribbon, search for the Page Setup group, and click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner. A Page Setup dialog box will appear on the screen. You need to navigate to the Margins tab and look for the Orientation section, where you will select the orientation as landscape and click on the Set as Default button at the bottom of the screen. The Microsoft Word Confirm prompt will appear on the screen, in which you will click on the Yes button to confirm the changes. Now, the default page orientation is set as landscape. You can also follow the same instruction to set the default orientation as portrait. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.